Robertson, AIFD, and I'm a floral contributor for Florist Review magazine. Today I wanted to share some inspiration for a Day of the Dead or Dia de los Muertos arrangement. We have some beautiful pots that were supplied by Melrose International, so lots of fun things with nice texture and colors. We have our big arrangement here, creating that height, tying down to the lower arrangement, as well as we've added some accents to the bottom, some candles, some star fruit, a little bit of the eucalyptus that I sprayed black to just pull that into the bottom, so that we've created a whole theme and effect for Day of the Dead. I want to thank Melrose International for providing these beautiful pots to work with. And just really excited about this Day of the Dead arrangement and hope you enjoy it.